Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up OpenClaw bot with Qwen3.5 0.8 billion model through Ollama. Everything completely locally and completely for free. And for this installation, you wouldn't need to have a dedicated GPU for your local LLM to work. Because of the size of the model, it can run completely on your CPU. And because it can run on your CPU, for this I will be running it on my Hostinger VPS KVM2 plan, which has 2 CPU cores, and that's completely enough for this setup to work. But this setup guide will work regardless on your device. So you can follow along if you're doing a local install on your PC, on your Mac Mini, or whichever device you decided to make this local installation on. But I would recommend using a dedicated VPS for this because it can run 24/7. So if you would also like to use a Hostinger VPS, which is the easiest one to set up and the cheapest, you can use my referral link from the description below, and if you use that link you will get extra 20% off on your Hostinger VPS plan. But essentially, let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So here is my VPS terminal. I have it set up with Ubuntu Linux, as you can see right here. So let's get right into the step-by-step commands that we will use to set everything up. So if you take a look in the description below, you will be able to see a commands document that you can just copy paste and follow along with the tutorial in real time. Now this will be a beginner guide, so if you're advanced, you can skip out on some of the steps. So the first command that we'll be initiating is just this command, which will update our operating system. So let's just quickly initiate it, and that should be done pretty soon. So once this is done, let's go ahead and install Node.js with this command. Again, the commands list will be in the description below as a GitHub gist, so you can just copy paste and follow along. Next up, after this is done installing, let's go ahead and initiate this command. So this will be under the step 2 of the command list, and then let's go ahead and check if everything is installed properly. So for this to run, we would need to have at least version 22 of Node.js for the OpenClaw to run, and here we have the latest version, which is 25.6. So after verifying that the Node.js install is correct, let's go ahead and install Ollama. So this is the step 3 of the installation process, and let's go ahead and initiate this command. So depending on your internet speed, this might be slower or faster. Now, if you get this message, if you're installing it on a strictly CPU VPS, this is completely normal. It's just a default Ollama message. Because we're running it with Qwen3.5 0.8 billion model, this will still work on just a CPU. So next up, let's go ahead and initiate this command to see the version of the Ollama, and here we have the latest version, which is what we're looking for. Now when we have Ollama installed, let's go ahead and pull the Qwen3.5 0.8B version through Ollama with this command right here. So this was quite instantaneous for me because I pulled it already before, but for you it can take a few moments more. Once we have that, let's go ahead and check it out. So you should be able to see the model that we pulled and the Ollama version, which is exactly what we want to see. So now we have the foundation for the OpenClaw bot, and let's go ahead and actually install OpenClaw using this command right here. So this command will install the latest version of OpenClaw, and this can also take a few moments. So just let it go through all the processes and just wait until the installation is finished. So here we are. After about 2 minutes, OpenClaw was installed, and I got this OpenClaw doctor right here, where I would just need to configure the gateway. So for this, I'll just select yes right here. Then again, yes, restart the gateway service now. And now it's restarting the gateway. So here we are, the gateway was restarted, and this is the main step of the video where we will change the config file of the LLM. So this is the part where we inject Qwen3.5 into our OpenClaw bot. And we do that with this Python command right here, which is also in that command guide that I linked in the description below. So let's go ahead and initiate this command, and here, if everything worked correctly, you should be able to see this done text right here. So once we have that connected, let's go ahead and configure our tunnel, aka the app of choice that we will be using to communicate with our OpenClaw bot. So for this, we run this command right here, OpenClaw configure section channels. Now in the channel section, let's go ahead and select local this machine. And then again, the first option, configure with a link. Here under the channels, let's go ahead and select Telegram because it's the easiest one to set up. If you want to set it up with another gateway service or a tunnel service, you can select whichever one of these works for you. But for this video, I'll go ahead and select Telegram, selecting it with enter. And then because I already have a config here with Telegram, I'll just delete it and then just select Telegram again. And here is essentially what you will see if you didn't configure it with Telegram previously. So you can skip these in-between steps, and this will be the screen that you will probably see. So right here, let's go ahead and select use Telegram bot token. And now I will open up my Telegram app and connect everything up. So once you open up your Telegram, here we have a short guide on what you need to do to connect your OpenClaw with the Telegram bot that you will create. So for example, this is a past installation that I did just for a test if this guide will work correctly, and as you can see, it worked out. So first, let's go ahead and find the bot father user. As you can see right here, it says that you would need to find the bot father and then just initiate this command right here, the new bot command. Now let's go ahead and select the name for our bot. So let's say something like this. So this is just the display name. And now let's go ahead and select the username. Just be sure that the username ends with bot. So the username was available and our bot was created. So this is the text that you will see if you have successfully created a bot. And from this text, all we need to have is this access key right here. Once you have your key, just go ahead and paste it over here under the Telegram bot token. And then I will just select finished as the last step right here, or the last option. And here I will select no. So now we have our Telegram configured and we would need to restart the gateway so it works. Now let's go ahead and paste over this command, OpenClaw gateway stop, and then the restart one. And now the gateway is running. So what we need to do from here is open our Telegram, click on this bot link right here. This will lead us to the chat with our bot that we just created on Telegram. Now just click on start right here. Now I had it previously connected, so that's why it's typing right now and not sending over the code. But essentially what you would need to do is just say anything and then get this pairing code right here. Then just open up the notepad window and just go ahead and paste over the code right here under the code section. After that, you can pair it by just sending over this right here, and that will pair it with your Telegram account. So we did that previously for this installation right here, as you can see, and once you pair it over, you would be able to talk to it as I did right here. But essentially guys, that's how you can set up and run OpenClaw with this small Qwen 3.5 model. If you found this video helpful, you can check out the other videos on the channel related to this topic, and I'll see you in one of those. Thank you for watching.